9 length combs cuts 1/16, 5/8 inches 15 to 15 mm, to achieve the exact look you desire. Lithium, rechargeable battery 40 minutes of cordless runtime. The Shortcut Pro hair clipper can also be used corded for maximum versatility and convenience. 13-piece kit includes handheld clipper, 9 length adjusting combs, cleaning brush, storage/travel pouch, oil, charging adapter also included. Extra wide curved blade. The blade contours to your head with maximum coverage to provide a close, even cut. Shortcut Pro hair clipper is 100% washable, conveniently rinses clean under the faucet, non-slip. Grip.Do not store in temperatures above 140 degrees. Style name haircut kit. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit's haircut clipper is designed for fast, easy and precise cutting every time. The clipper has an extra wide curved blade, follows the contours of your head for even cutting. The clipper is also designed to fit comfortably in your hand, giving you ultimate control for desired results. Palm grip design fits comfortably in your hand, not the blade. The blade is extra wide for fast haircuts and is curved to fit the shape of the head. The 9 length combs cut 1/16 - 5/8 to ensure you achieve the perfect length for you. Lithium power provides up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime with consistent power throughout. The Shortcut Pro hair clipper can also be used corded for maximum versatility and convenience. Voltage 110 to 120 VAC. Top reviews from the United States. Has it really been that long? I bought this thing back in 2017, when it decided to learn to cut my own hair, rather than pay a barber every month. It had another set of clippers before, but they just didn't do it for me. To begin with, I have sensitive skin. When I say sensitive, I mean that you could write your name on my head, in bumps, using a razor. My barber at the time had been cutting my hair since childhood, so he was the one who recommended clippers, as opposed to a razor.